let's go, because I'm running late. La 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 la. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie and I love to do hauls, makeup tutorials, some fashion and spoil little home decor. If you're interested in stuff like that, please consider hitting that subscribe button and joining the family. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back. So this is the shirt that I got from my Temu haul. If you guys saw my full decor yesterday, girl, let's go. I did this look today, and I feel like this side is a little bit darker. Something quick. I just wanted to film something like getting ready and stuff. Con Dios y la Virgen, suave por ahí para abajo. I did a little bit of decor in the kitchen. I put like some stuff by my coffee station. I put a couple of things. I didn't put a couple of things. I just put the kitchen towels down. But I don't like how it looks. I feel like the coffee station needs a little bit of something else. And like I was saying, I use it. It's literally in front of the stove. So I don't like to put too much stuff because, you know, it gets greasy. It gets kind of sticky, the glass. And then I have to keep washing that area, the counter, you know. So I don't like to put too much. But I feel like it needs something. Like something. Maybe like a little gnome or like a little pumpkin figurine or something. I don't know. It looked kind of plain, but in that same token, I need the area to be free so I can put my mug, prepare what I'm preparing and whatever, and not have too much stuff where I have to keep moving stuff just to get to the sugar, just to get to the coffee. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I don't really like how it looked. The stove, for sure, I didn't like. And I have a basket with bread, hot dog bread, burger bread, sliced bread. I got the wraps for tacos in there, but we use it daily. Like I'll make toast with my coffee sometimes. My son will make a sandwich. My husband will make sandwiches in the morning to take to work. So I don't want to put it away because it's functional for me. But I feel like I got a couple of things that maybe I could move, like my pills and stuff, my vitamins. But then if I move it and I don't see it, I ain't gonna take it. So, you know, the reality is I live in my house. Like, it's for living. We live in the house. I know a lot of people think that nothing on the counters, nothing on the this, nothing on the... Girl, that's not reality. Because when you're not filming, that is not how it looked. So I'm not gonna fake the funk, but I still don't like how it looked. I feel like it looked, maybe when I do the window and when I, oh, do I got my seatbelt on? Yeah. When I do the window and the dining room, it'll pull together and I'll see it differently. But like I was saying, it's 90 degrees today, and this ya me está molestando. This is already bothering me, so I don't know if this is good for like right now. Today's gonna be 90 and ya esto me está molestando. I feel like it's choking me. So yeah. And like I was telling you, jumping off topic, the shirt, maybe I should have got the 3X because I feel like the back keeps opening. And I don't know if that's the look, but I don't like how that looks. So yeah. I gotta redo some stuff because going back to the decor, I made myself an egg sandwich this morning and then I was like, oh, let me change this, oh, let me do this. But I feel like if I wipe everything down, which I did last night, but still, you know, I gotta wipe the walls because I could see grease and I don't have that backsplash. So I feel like I'm constantly having to do. I want to put those sticky ones because what I want costs too much and that's not a priority right now. But I'm wondering if I put like those sticky things, I could just wipe it down because I feel like when I wipe the wall, I could see the paint like thinning kind of. I don't know. But So yeah, I'm gonna show you, because this probably is what I'm gonna put as my intro. Then you'll see me do this look, and then you'll see what I did. But I don't know, I don't really like it. I feel like I half-assed it, but like I was saying, I didn't want to put too much, but now I kind of feel like it needs something. You let me know. So we're gonna cut into this look. Okay, so this is what I ended up doing. I was going to show you the before and the after, but I didn't like the before, and I still don't like how this looks. I did put the sign here. I have my fall is in the air. This little one, I don't think is going to stay here. And then I put this one like right here. I put this little coffee here. I think I'm gonna leave this pumpkin here. That way I have the counter to make my coffee and grab what I'm gonna grab. I think that's it. I think I need maybe something like this one. Let me put you here. And maybe you here. Like that. But it's pretty simple. I don't really decorate too much here. You know, this I can even move closer here. You know, I don't know. But I'm not crazy about how this looks. I am going to move this around because I think I want to do probably in the window or by the stove. But this is all I did for the coffee station. And this is just brown sugar, my instant coffee, liquid IV, sugar. I have this syrup, which is the hibiscus, which I do when I want like iced tea or something. And then I have my mocha. This is the top from Temu. And I just have some banana muffins. So it's pretty simple. I might get like a little dish here where I would put like my cup and stuff and, you know, I don't know. I'm going to be putting my fall mugs here that say like it's fall, y'all. Something like that. I don't know. This we'll discuss another time. I just got home from work and I'm going to switch out my bags. But I just have these two that I'm going to put here. And I put these two here. And I think that's all I'm going to do for right now. Because, again, I cook a lot. This gets very greasy and sticky. You know, this gets greasy. So I don't want to put any pumpkin decor that might get greasy. You know, I have my bread here and stuff. I need access to be able to do stuff. But for right now, this is how it is. I'm not too crazy about how this looks. I think I need like maybe floral arrangements or something. When I do the window, we'll see what I do. But for now, that is what I got. So I don't know. The vision in my head didn't really come out. When I do the dining room and I get the sheet covers, because I got some seat covers, maybe it'll come together. I don't know. But for right now, I just did that and this. And I don't know. So yeah. Let me know what you think. I feel like it's not the way I envision in my mind. But I'm not done. So we'll see.